No matter where you aim, it always lands in the same spot. This is not skill, this is not luck, this is geometry doing the aiming for you. Welcome to the elliptical Carrom board, where the shape of the board is smarter than the player. Act 2, the science journey. An ellipse is a special oval shape. Not just any oval, a mathematical oval. Every ellipse has two special points inside called focus points. And here is the magical property. Any line from one focus to the boundary bounces exactly to the other focus. Every time. No exceptions. That is why, no matter which direction you hit the striker from focus 1, it always bounces off the curved wall and lands at focus 2. The ellipse is not just a shape. It is a built-in targeting system. This property is used in whispering galleries, curved rooms where a whisper at one focus travels all the way across to the other focus. It is used in satellite dishes to concentrate signals to one point, and in medical treatment, to focus sound waves to break kidney stones. Act 3. Takeaway. An ellipse is proof that geometry is not just shapes on paper. It is a law of nature, a design principle, a tool. In architecture, medicine, astronomy, and this Carrom board, the ellipse delivers. Perfectly. Every single time. Mathematics is not just correct, it is precise, and precision is beautiful. And the best part? At RNCT Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life. Hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@ratnaniti.org or WhatsApp us at 74989899292, because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are RNCT, and this is what we do.